Yes, yes. Can you tell me India's budget for this year? How much is the total expenditure expected?
So it's around 35 lakh crores.
35 lakh crore. Now it is said that on capital account there has been a huge increase. Do you think so?
Yes, so there has been an increase in the capital expenditure this year.
Tell me how much is the capital expenditure last year and this year?
So I'm not aware of the exact numbers, but I think there's an increase of around 5 lakh crores in the capital expenditure this year.
Only 5 lakh crore.
Yes, sir, compared to last year.
Okay. See, you filled it the Indian Revenue Service as your second preference.
Yes, sir.
That shows somehow you are more interested toward this service. Could be from your background also.
Yes, sir. My background in economics played a major role in me choosing the IRS over the
Okay.
IPS.
Tell me that how much was the tax collection last year?
So around 16 lakh crores, I think.
Are you thinking what you were saying or simply just giving up the number?
So I remember, though I don't remember the exact numbers, but these are the basic numbers I think I remember.
16 lakh crore, if you think that was the budget estimate. But there are revised estimates.
I'm not aware of the revised estimates exact numbers. I'm sorry.
Okay, tell me that any time in the last 10 years, that indirect taxes or direct taxes, which one is higher?
So indirect taxes are higher than the direct taxes.
Indirect taxes are higher in almost how many years?
So
The last 10 years, suppose if I talk about.
I'm not sure about that, sir.
Okay, tell me what should be the ideal thing? Which should be the higher, whether direct or indirect, as a proportion of total tax revenue?
So I think the direct taxes should be higher than the indirect taxes.
Why is it so?
So because direct taxes are more progressive, because you can target them as per the income of the people, but indirect taxes are more regressive because the poor also have to pay the tax irrespective of their income levels.
Okay, and in spite of that, our indirect taxes were higher. Okay, tell me the last question is about, see, you have filled your revenue services as the second category. Do you know about how many income tax slabs we have?
So we have 3 slabs, I think, right now.
Can you tell me the 3 slabs?
So one is below 5 lakhs. After last year's budget, there was a change in the slabs. So 5 lakh, below 5 lakh, there was a blanket exemption. If you're not using any of the other exemptions, then there's a slab from 5 to 10. Then there is, I think, 10 to 30, and then there's 30 and beyond.
And what is the new then? What is the new slabs proposed in the last year budget?
So these were the new slabs, I think. I don't remember.
Okay, Yash. Yash, see, you have a very nice background. You have a very good knowledge also. I think everything is good. The thing is, you need to target above 200 marks. Your
Yes.
first attempt, which should be your target. 210 so should be there.
Yes, sir.
But there are certain things, like suppose being an optional background, filled second revenue services, that means you should have a very good knowledge about this thing.
The budget numbers, yes,
Yeah.
I realize that my mistake.
See, it will not be expected from a normal aspirant, but it will be expected from you. You have done MA also.
Of course.
Second thing, where I felt very disappointed from you is you have said that in the last 10 years, our indirect taxes are higher than direct taxes.
I was wrong. Yeah, I realize.
Well, you yourself can think of that. How can should be? It cannot be. Yes, last year there was decline. There was higher indirect taxes, but not in the last 10 years.
Yes, sir.
So that's kind of a something that don't do such mistakes.
Yes.
As said by the Prasad sir, too long answers. Too long. Sir asked about, Chairman sir asked about the Jharkhand pollution. You have given complete information, what to do, what not to do. Even you have not seen whether the board members are interested in listening that or not.
Okay.
It's not about flaunting your knowledge also. You have a knowledge, specific, precise. You can do very good. You have a very good potential. Just work on those areas. And in all the best, you will be doing good.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.